I'm Suzanne Clegg of SpiritGate Acupuncture and SpiritGate.com. I'm here with KK out here in Southold on the North Fork of Long Island. My husband came up here with me, and we are picking up some biodynamic plants. And I'm looking forward to planting them in my garden at home.
The main difference between organic and biodynamic is that organic is great because it doesn't use any of the sides, and by the sides I mean pesticides, herbicides, those kind of things. But it's more about material inputs, which is great, and good farming practices, which are great. But biodynamics takes into account trying to attract positive cosmic forces to the soil and to the plant. So you're talking about forces as opposed to material inputs, so it's exponentially more powerful to be able to work biodynamically than organically. I mean, everything that's biodynamic is organic, but it's, it's to another stage. So it takes into account working with everything that's around the cosmos around us. So certain days might be a root day, or a leaf day, or a fruit day, or a flower day. And also, more importantly, certain days are blackout days, when you really shouldn't be planting anything at all. For example, June 3rd and 4th, we've got a lunar eclipse in perigee coming up, so we have like 48 hours where it's going to be very negative energy coming in, and it wouldn't be very wise to be sowing seeds and things at that time because you won't have very good results. Basically, the moon reflects down to the earth all of the forces from the cosmos. So you're getting, you have the near planets and the sun, and then even the far out planets. Everything has a force and a relationship with other things. So.
And I understand there's a lot of research done that actually compares biodynamic with organic, and forget the conventional. They're way ahead of that.
Yeah, you'll find with biodynamic, where somebody really practices biodynamic, the nutrition in the food is probably, I've seen some tests that are like 95% higher. The life force, everybody tells me how long my produce lasts. Like, it lasts weeks and weeks and weeks. Things like lettuce that usually turn green and rotting in the drawer after a week. If you buy it in the store, 3 weeks later it's still fine. And the colors, like you can see, like these flowers. I mean, I didn't even sow these flowers. These are just a gift that nature gave me here. And it's amazing because they're all in the walkways. They didn't even go in my beds. It was very sweet. But I mean, I've never seen poppies like this. Look how strong they are. So everything, is very vibrant, very alive. You see the colors, you see the energy, you can see the aura fields around them. So it's a whole different thing. I'm trying to work co-creatively with nature. And biodynamics is a way of sensitizing yourself and your plants and your soil so that you can communicate with each other. And the plants know how to bring about balance. It's really human beings that have lost all of that knowledge, so they can take me back to relearn all those things that we forgot so that we can work and have healthy soil.
And if you eat the plants, what happens in compared?
That's good for you. You are what you eat. But I mean, biodynamics will erase any toxins in the soil. It'll get rid of, it'll erase radioactivity. It'll actually grow topsoil. I mean, I'm farming 12 months out of the year on my property, and I've grown 12 inches of topsoil here over 10 years. So it's really
great.
Powerful stuff, and it's really our hope for healing the earth.
Thank you so much.
I'm very passionate about it.
Very good. Thank you.
Thanks. Enjoy your tomato plants.